Now, I know a lot of you are wondering how much money a small YouTuber makes and how much money you could possibly make just by getting monetized in your first month. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the strategies on how to get monetized the fastest way possible. But more importantly, I'm going to be showing you how much money I have made in just my first 3 weeks on YouTube being monetized and how long it's taken me to get to this point. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, guys. My name is KINGLATTA. This is Black Investors Group, where we post daily investment tips and how to make money the easy way online, and also how to make passive income, how to make money on crypto, and even how to start up a successful trucking business that can make you 6 figures per year. I do offer ebooks and I do offer online courses to start up your business and to help you get started on whatever niche that you're looking to make money on. So feel free to go in the link in the description and check out the Patreon. And if you have any further questions for me about YouTube or just about finances period, I do have coaching calls in the Calendly link in the description. Check that out. You can schedule a call with me for $10 for 10 to 30 minutes worth of conversation. But by the end of this video, you will see how much money a small YouTuber makes and how long it takes to get to that point, and how the YouTube algorithm actually works once you get monetized. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So the first thing I have to discuss to you guys today, if you don't know already, YouTube has something called a CPM and a RPM. A CPM is what your channel gets paid per 1,000 views, and RPM is how much you make after 1,000 views, after YouTube takes out their cut of what your channel has made. So it's pretty much a 50-50 partnership with YouTube and yourself from what the ad payers are paying. So if you are making a $5 RPM, guys, that means you're getting paid $5 per 1,000 views that you're taking home. And guys, if you're getting, 2,000 views a day, that means you're making about $10 a day. But you can be possibly making $20 because it depends on how much of your watch page ads are getting watched all the way through, and how many people are clicking on them, and what companies are paying more money to have those ads on your channel. Now, if you pick a high CPM niche such as the financials, cooking, personal education, these are niches that pays the most on YouTube, and these niches pay anywhere from $15 to $30 per 1,000 views. Lower niches such as fashion and vlog channels pay about $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. But like I said, guys, in these higher CPM niches, there are companies willing to pay more money for advertisement, and the more money willing to pay means it's more competition, so people have to pay more money to get their ads on your channel, meaning you're just making more money. But I'm just a small YouTuber, guys. I started my channel up about 6 months ago. I want to say 8 months ago, actually, my fault. 8 months ago is when I started up this Black Investors Group channel to help out other investors make the most money the easiest way as possible. But anyways, I have 2,600 subscribers at the time of this recording, and I've been monetized a little under 3 weeks now. I started taking this channel seriously after about 4 months of having this channel. So in the last 3 months, I've been going almost every day consistently. When I started to take this channel seriously, I had about 1,000 watch hours worth of views. YouTube's requirements to get monetized is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So as it was getting closer and closer to moving out of my parents' house, guys, I decided to take YouTube more seriously. I started posting almost every day, and in the last 3 months, I have made 3,000 watch hours and have gotten monetized. Now, a big chunk of these watch hours has come from one video, which is how to make money in the cargo van industry, how to start up your cargo van business. And this video has gotten me 30,000 views, and it has gotten me 15,000 views within the last 2 months. So starting off with 1,000 watch hours, going consistent, this video has made me about 1,500 watch hours. So I got the remaining 1,000 and some change watch hours from just posting consistently, and now I made 4,000 watch hours to get monetized off of YouTube. And now I see how this algorithm works, and I'm gonna show you how much money I've been making. So for a small YouTube channel under 3,000 subscribers, I only have 20,000 views within the last 28 days, guys. And as you can see, in the last 28 days, we also have 1.2 watch hours and 481 subscribers. And you can see right here, guys, we are making over 500 views per day, a little bit over 600. I want to average it out at about 600 views per day, because as you can see right here, we dipped at 492, but we came back up strong to like the mid 500s, 600, and now we're in the 700 to even 800 range. As you can see right here, what my top content is, and paying attention to your analytics is the most important thing you can do in the YouTube industry, because you can see my average watch duration is only 2 minutes and 54 seconds on my most popular video, meaning that a lot of people are clicking off before this 2-minute mark. And that means that I have a lot of work to do of getting people engaged in my first 3 minutes of my videos. Now, a big YouTuber tip to use is, guys, a lot of people are just blowing up and having a lot of viral videos as soon as they hop on the platform due to professionalism. If you guys go on Fiverr or Upwork, guys, you can find freelancers that'll make you a engaging professional YouTube video that just might go viral in its first day. But if you're like me, man, I do everything myself and I do post daily, so I can't afford to pay a professional editor. So I post all this stuff on my own, and I'm showing you guys how to do so yourself. As you can see, in my first month of being monetized, I was monetized on March 21st of 2023, and my first day I made $4.33. And after seeing this, guys, and after working hard for 2 months of going consistently, I'm finally realizing that the hard work does pay off. Even though $4 a day is just a little under, you know, $200 a month. But if we keep going, this number is gonna double, and then that 200 is gonna turn into 400. That 400 is gonna turn into 800. The 800 is gonna turn into 2,000, and now we have living expense money. But as you can see, guys, I do have 20,000 views, 2,635 subscribers, and in the last 48 hours, I've reached 1,396 views. And as you can see, my top videos are these trucking videos. So just in the first 2 weeks, guys, I have made a little bit under $100 in my first 2 weeks, but I feel like this is absolutely good achievement for me, because I just started posting every day 2 months ago. So if you guys can stay consistent on this YouTube grind, you can be making the same amount of money as me, if not more. Now, a RPM, as you can see right here, you can see the full breakdown of your analytics. You can see your viewers' age, the traffic source. Okay, guys, so we got a lot of things coming from all over the place. YouTube search is the top one. Browse features, suggested videos, playlist, channel pages. And another thing I want to mention to you guys is this RPM, which is the amount of money you take home per 1,000 views. It does change all the time. So when I first got monetized, my RPM said only $1.13, and I was just looking at all the other YouTubers that told me that the financial niche was $20. I was just like, what the heck is going on? Like, I know I got trucking videos on my channel, but it's still financial. And so now, guys, in the last week, I seen it go to $4, $5, and then just 2 days ago when I checked it again, we are now at $6.83 per 1,000 views. And as you can see, man, we got 18,000 views and we've made $127. And you can see my top earning content is this box truck video right here and this cargo van video right here. Now let me tell you something. This cargo video has 30,000 views and this box truck video has 10,000 views. But the reason why this video has made me more is because it's longer in length, meaning that if your video is over 9 minutes long, you can't add mid-placement ads, meaning that you could put 4 ads between your video. And on my van business startup, I did only have a 6-minute video, so there's only an ad at the beginning and the end of that video. So as you can see, you want to put videos out over 9 minutes so that you can start making more money. Because if this video right here was 10 minutes long, this video probably would have made me $75 to even $100 in just the first 2 weeks of being monetized. You also can get paid from shorts as well, guys. I know you know about this. I've only made 1 cent off of shorts. and you can get paid from YouTube Premium and YouTube Thanks. And what YouTube Thanks is pretty much your subscribers leaving you a tip at the bottom of this video that you're watching right now. So while you're at it, go ahead and leave out a big thanks if you're feeling generous. But I'm seeing that my advertisers are paying $17 guys per 1,000 views, so my RPM is gonna be going up pretty soon, because half of 17 is not $6, it's about $8. So my RPM is gonna be climbing up even more, and in the future is gonna go up to that $30 mark. I'm already knowing. So guys, just imagine making 1,000 views, or imagine getting to that point where you're making 10 to even 30,000 views per day, and you're making $16 to $20 per 1,000 views, guys. And this is the power of YouTube, and that's not where it ends. There's so much money on sponsorships, partnerships, and even online products that's being sold from your name. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how much money I've been making off of YouTube as a small YouTuber in just my first 2 weeks of monetization. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell, because we do post videos over here daily so that you can start learning how to make money online the easy way. My name is KINGLATTA. I will be making more videos on YouTube and how much money I've been making, because this channel is on the way to 100K. So stay tuned, man. Join the family. Don't forget to check out the Patreon link in the description so that you can get started to making online money today. You're watching Black Investors Group. We out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pulled before, got me stuck in a dream.